Yo, 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 yo.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
EA Sports welcomes you back, along with Ray Ferraro. My name is James Cebulski, set to bring you all the play-by-play. International showdown here tonight. Does the environment change when you're playing nationally as opposed to a club?
100% it does, because it's a little bit different. You're not usually with regular teammates, so everything feels a little bit different, but you are playing for your country.
Setters glide into position for the opening draw. Well, the hype for this one has been off the hook. Puck is dropped. Let's see if this one actually lives up to it. Moves it to Matthews. Move to the middle, and that one's broken up by a great defensive play. Pushes it across to Panarin. Team Russia's got the puck against the boards. Right in the slot. That's blocked. Jostles for the puck, but still hangs on. And the puck leaves the offensive zone. They'll be forced to tag up. Moves it quickly over to Radulov. Takes the pass from the left wing. Breaks up the pass in the defensive zone. USA's got it into the offensive zone. And he regains control of the puck. Stones him in front.
I like the goalie's positioning here. He was aggressive enough to make a save on a dangerous chance.
Pavelski's won the face-off deep inside the offensive zone and tries to make a diagonal pass to Ovechkin. Here's an odd man rush. Slides it across. Here's a shot. Puck scooped up by Kessel. Quick pass across to Pavelski. Takes the feed at the back end. Slides the puck near the front of the net. Oh, and he can thank his stick for that one. Rush is moving it along the wing. Coughs up the puck after that hit. Team USA's got the puck in the defensive end. Here's a chance! Makes the save as he got a blocker on it. Big play inside the defensive zone. Ovechkin's picking up steam, and he slides it quickly to Kuznetsov. Grabs it in his own end. Besser's swooping in on the attack. Handles the puck. Here's a chance out front, and that's broken up. Anisimov's got it along the wing. Shot right in front. Blown opportunity. Oh, he put it wide.
You don't get many of these a night, and when it's your turn, you got to be ready to get it on the net. He misses here.
Moves it around along the half wall. Quick feed to Jones. Team Russia's got the puck inside the defensive zone. Here's a short pass to Anisimov. Moves it over to Besser. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Boom! What a hit! Here they come on the attack. Tried to make a move and the puck hops away.
Buchnevich is in good shape here, but he ends up losing the puck and overhandled.
Quick pass to Carlson. Oh, what a stop! Right out front, and that one's broken up by a great defensive play. And now he moves it quickly to Kucherov. Puts it on goal. Big time glove save.
That was a big hit. You've got to be willing to put your own body on the line to make a hit like that.
Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Carries it in. Moves it to Folk. Snaps one here in the slot. Stopped by the goaltender.
Quick glove hand here. He gets the glove out to make the stop.
Matthews has won the draw. Moves it quickly over to Suter. Wins a one-timer. He scores! Patrick Kane!
I never had much of a one-timer. That one right there is a bullet. He takes the pass, times it well, and hammers it home.
USA's got the game's first goal as they lead here 1-0 early in the first.
Always awesome to be in front of the game. You push the pace. You make the other team uncomfortable when you're out front.
And he slides it quickly to McDonough. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Quick feed to Matthews.
Kane's dangerous, and he's got the puck now. He had the go-ahead goal earlier on.
Slides the puck across to Kucherov. Here's a short pass to Matthews. And now he moves it to Kane. Oh, great little takeaway at center. On the attack along the boards. Fires one, and he makes the save. Takes the pass. Carries it across the line. Quick pass to Matthews. Turns it away on the slap shot. And that's picked off. Radulov's got the puck along the wing. Moves it to Radulov. Looks to set up at the point now. Team USA's got the puck. Moves it quickly over to Wheeler. Shuts him down. And he gives it over to Panarin. Rips it. He scores! Alexander Radulov!
He got himself in a good position to receive that pass, and then he one-times it past the goaltender.
We haven't even hit the midway mark of the period. You can feel the energy in this crowd. It's a tie game. Anisomov's won the draw here in the neutral zone. Quick feed to Tarasenko. Rocks him. Into the offensive end now. Lets the wrister fly. Denies him.
Bobrovsky's so sharp on this. Reads the play, reads the puck, makes the save.
Kovalchuk's going to play it against the half wall. It's in the back of the net. He scores!
Hard to get him much quicker than that. A pair of goals in 40 seconds.
Wow, insane how quick that was. Bang, bang.
Yeah, the defending team just couldn't put a stake in the ground. They couldn't stop them. Oh, that's a great move. He gets in so tight to the goaltender. He sells the shot, holds it onto his forehand, and then puts it away.
Russia's goal scorers have given them a one-goal lead here in the first period.
I've liked the way that they came out and started this game. Now that they have the one-goal lead, see if they can expand upon it.
Now a quick pass to Kessler. Lays the body. Looks to get the puck over to Orlov. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Tried to get too cute with it and loses possession. Glove save made by Gibson.
He ran right through him on that hit. Lined him up, timed it perfectly.
USA still down here in the first despite the multiple scoring opportunities. Pavelski's won the faceoff. Good check, frees the puck up. And it's a quick pass to Van Riemsdyk. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Centered out in front. Gives them nothing in front.
Really good positioning as he makes the stop from in tight.
Centering pass. And that goes off a player. Takes the feed. Ovechkin's got it against the boards. Rips it. Stops him cold. Team USA's got the lead in shots. Nevertheless, they still trail here in the first. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Wheeler's got it into offensive territory. With possession along the wall. Here's a short pass to Eichel. Slides it back to the blue line. Moves the puck. Bufflin's got it in the offensive zone. Team Russia's got the puck along the wall. Quick pass to Zadorov. He's got the puck with all sorts of traffic around him. And he slides it quickly to Panarin. Moved up ahead here in the neutral zone. Moves the puck along the half wall. Comes up with the stop. Loses his balance on the play. Again, the denial by the goaltender.
He's right on it. 2 consecutive saves. Tough ones at that.
USA's had the scoring opportunities, but they still find themselves behind in the first. Good read by the winger as the two setters tie up. Puck grabbed by Tarasenko. Moves it to Provorov. Provorov's got it in the defensive end. Along the half wall with the puck. Here inside the offensive end, takes the feed from along the boards. Stopped by the goaltender. Team USA still down here in the first despite the multiple scoring opportunities. Setter's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. Goudreau's got it on the offensive end. Makes a move and the puck hops away from him.
Matthews loses the puck. He's trying to do too much in that spot.
Puts it on goal with the stop.
I like the way that he stops this puck, James. Not only does he get in front of it, but he puts it out of harm's way.
Moves it quickly over to Goudreau. Takes the feed at the point. Kane's got the puck. And now it's over to Goudreau. And now he moves it quickly to Kane. And that one's broken up. Takes it across the blue line. Lets it go from the back end. No room for that one to get through. They've got the defense outnumbered. Puts it on net. And a great save.
Really good puck control by the goalie as he gets it out of danger.
Under all sorts of pressure in his own end with the puck now. Slides the puck ahead into the neutral zone. Quick feed to Ovechkin. Big time stop there. USA's gained possession along the boards. Kane's carrying it ahead. Here's a short pass to Kane. Denies him on the play. Quick pass to Orlov. And now he tries to get it across to Nemestikov. Back at the point, they set it up. Orlov's got it along the wing. Keeps a hold of the puck after that knock. Moves it around along the half wall. Huge stick save by the goaltender.
USA is trying to wear them down. They've been on the body since the first drop of the puck. Maybe it'll pay dividends later, but they're trailing in the game.
Here in the late goings of the period, we've got a 2-1 game. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Pacioretty's got it along the boards. Moves it to Oshie. Russia's got a hold of it against the wall. Nice pass. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. And that one's turned away.
Nice move by the goalie to get out close to the shooter.
And he slides it quickly to Carlson. Team Russia's got control of it now from their own end. On the attack along the boards. Moves it quickly over to Zaitsev. Stick save from the goaltender. Team USA's down despite numerous scoring opportunities here late in the first. Eichel's won a big draw on their own end. Moves it ahead from off the wall. Quick feed to Eichel. Here's a shot and makes the save. And now he angles it across to Folk. Oh, that's a good hit. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Panarin's got it across the line. Handles the puck at the point with the stop. Falk's taking it from his own end. Besser's gaining momentum. Here they are on the attack. And the traffic neutralizes that threat. Taken by Besser. Here's a short pass to Zadorov. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Puts a little mustard on the hit to knock the puck loose. Over the line they come. Centered out in front. Knocked away. Denied by the goaltender.
Last minute of play.
Clock ticking down here inside the first period. Hammers it on net. And he says no. Kessel's going to play it against the half wall. Now a quick pass to Dadonov. Pass stolen in the open ice. Takes that pass back at the point. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Taken along the wall by Anisimov. Puck lands right back onto the blade. Move to the middle on the one-timer. Misses.
He doesn't expect this puck here, James. As a result, he just whiffs this shot wide.
There's the horn concluding the first 20 minutes. See a few fans already jumping the gun there, trying to beat some of the lineups in the concessions and the washrooms. This first intermission coming up, and it's a chance for both sides to breathe. We've got a 2-1 game here after the first period.
Open a savings account this month at Baybank and get access to team press conferences, practice, or locker room tours.
As both teams get a breather here in this first intermission, we'll do the same and get ready for period number 2. Clean sheet of ice, period 2 is set to go. Here we go, middle frame now underway as the puck drops. Ray, what's your assessment of the game to this point?
Team USA is probably pretty happy with that first period that they played. They had the puck a lot, but what they have to change is they trail by 1.
Deflected away, nice defensive use of the stick there. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Malkin. Takes the feed. Handles it along the blue line. Quick pass to Malkin. And it's a quick pass to Panarin. Gaudreau swooping in on the attack. Here's a shot. Oh, what a stop. Picks it up, and they turn on the pressure. Loose puck battle along the boards. Nice poke check. Gets it over to Radulov. With possession along the wall. And he slides it quickly to Kuznetsov. Stopped by the goaltender. Moves the puck along the half wall. Along the half wall with the puck. Receives the pass. Denies him in front.
Sometimes you're in close, there's no room to put it anywhere. The goalie smothered it all.
Moves it to Kuznetsov. Great glove save.
That's a dangerous scoring chance, but the goaltender makes a great save as he's able to snuff it out.
USA's looking to convert on some of these chances. They've had plenty of opportunities, but have been snake-bitten thus far. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Sends the pass over. Here they come on the attack. Moves it quickly over to Folk. Lets it go. Blocker save. Picks it off. Look out. The lane was plugged up and that shot's blocked. Team USA's got the puck in their own end. Passes the puck over to Ovechkin. From the right wing, he moves it to the middle. Puts it on net. Big time save with the blocker. Russia's gained possession. Feeds it down low. Stopped by the goaltender.
Oh, you're not going to get a better chance than that, but the goalkeeper does a great job.
And now he moves it quickly to Eichel. And gets a piece of it with the trapper. And off the save, that one's redirected out of play. Still early on in this frame, James and Ray with you. So glad you could join us. It's 2-1. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. He scores!
Now you got to keep clawing back. Trailing in the game, they get the equalizer. The defensive team can't get control of the puck off this face-off. It ends up into the shooter's hands, and he beats the goaltender.
USA's counterpunch pays off. They've evened things up here in the second.
They've had really good legs since the start of this period, and it seemed like a matter of time before they'd punch through.
While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck.
Assisted by number 50.
Eichel's got it against the boards. Shuts him down. Moves the puck across to Kovalchuk. Carries it in. Off target. And he slides it quickly to Tarasenko. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Pacioretty's got it in the offensive zone. Team Russia's got a hold of it along the wall. Great heads-up play by the defender. That's just textbook positioning to break up the play. Carries it across the line. Puts it towards the net. Denied by the goaltender. Now he takes it over the line. Takes a shot. Gets in front of it. Still lots of time left in the period. We got a tie game. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Big time stop with the glove. Tries to get it over to Dadonov. Dadonov's got the puck. And now he moves it to Kulikov. Buchnevich has got it along the wing. Wrist one in front. Stops him with a glove.
Oh, he snaps the glove save off there. Excellent chance in the slot.
Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Jones setting up against the wall. Oh, and a great defensive play there. And he's able to handle that one. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. A chance in front. Puts it on net. That's gloved by Bobrovsky. Off the draw, and a nice job locking up his opponent. Takes the puck behind the net. Comes up with the stop. Moves the puck over to Orlov. Slides it to Nemestikov. Moves it around along the half wall. The one-time rocket just slide to the net. Team USA's got the puck along the boards. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Now a quick pass to Ovechkin. Ovechkin's got it into offensive territory. Lifts the stick and takes the puck. Beautiful stop with the stick. Cannon of a shot. Big stop by the keeper.
Quick work. He makes 1 and 2 saves in a row.
And that shot goes nowhere as the lane was filled. And he passes it up ahead to Goudreau. Solid hit on that play. Quick pass over to Kovalchuk. On the attack along the boards. And it's a quick pass to Zaitsev. Here's a chance in front. Big time stop. And that's picked off in front. Moves the puck into the attacking area. Here's a chance right out in front. Russia's looking to break out of their own end. Picked up along the boards by Anisimov. Tries to get it to Tarasenko. Tarasenko's got it on the offensive end. USA's got the puck along the wall. And we've got a 2-on-1. And that one's stopped. Save made by the goalie. Moved into the middle. Puts it on net. Gets a glove on it to make the save.
Trying to brace himself. He knows the hit's coming, but man, does he get leveled.
More than half the period has expired. We are all tied up in this one. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. In front, and a stoppage on the play as the goaltender covers things up. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Rocked them in the open ice. Team USA's gained possession along the boards. Angles it over to Kessel. Great defensive effort breaking up the pass. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Fantastic save! Centering pass! Quick feed to Bushnevich. He scores!
Well, they break the tie here, James. This game had been hotly contested since it's been level. They now have found a way to jump into the lead. Sometimes you just got to put your hands up and say, I can't do any more than that. He did all he could to try and stop that puck.
Team Russia's given themselves control of this game now with a one-goal lead in the second.
They'd like to get another before they go in for the second intermission. You'd love at least a couple goal lead going into period 3.
Slides the puck over. And a great save! And as he opts to freeze the puck, we get a whistle.
Starting to look like a little bit of a fire drill in the zone, so this is a good play.
USA's had a lot of good looks on net, but they continue to trail here in the second. Malkin's won it off the faceoff. Team USA's got a hold of it against the wall. Makes the save. Here's a short pass to Suter. Good hit on the play. And now it's over to Malkin. It's a 2-on-1. Malkin's going to play it against the half wall. Set it out in front. Quick pass to Panarin. Couldn't catch up to that pass. And now he tries to get it across to Radulov. Here's a chance, a 2-on-1. Stopped by the goaltender. Slides it across to Orlov. And now he angles it across to Radulov. Takes a shot and makes the save.
Pretty solid stop, and the puck goes into the corner to safety.
Takes it across the blue line. Lets it go. Big time stop there. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Nemestikov. USA's got a hold of it along the wall. With possession along the wall. There's a shot, and he comes up with it. Grabbed along the boards by Malkin. That's intercepted.
Turnover short in the ice. You don't need to take chances if you have the lead.
Too much congestion in front. From against the wall into the open ice. Comes up with the stop. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Oh, set that hit up perfectly. Under siege and finally grabs that one and covers up for a whistle.
Hey, do these guys know they can skate around each other? Each time they've come together, it's been another body contact.
Past the midway mark in this period. 3-2 is where we sit. It's a one-goal game in what has been a very fun contest to this point. Moves the puck along the half wall. Moves it to Kane. Knocked away. Gains control of the puck here at the blue line. Russia's got control of the puck. Zadorov's moving it ahead. Picked up along the wall by Nemestikov. Through center along the wing. Intercepts it at center. Look out, a 2-on-1. And there's the save. Gets the puck over to Kovalchuk. Sends a pass over. And that's stopped by the goaltender using his head this time. Bufflin stick handling in his own zone. Matthews brings it in. Huge steal at his own end. Slides it over with pace to Kulikov. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Kulikov's got it to the side. Back to the blue line. Handles the puck. Kulikov's going to play it to the corner. Along the half wall with the puck. Whiffs on that. Team USA's got the puck along the boards. Picking up some steam at center ice. Oh, gets a glove on it to make the stop. USA's had plenty of good looks offensively, but they have been snake-bitten as they trail late in this second period. Center's jammed up, and the winger grabs the puck. From the point, with the tip, with the puck under siege. Can he get out of the zone here? Trying to gain a step. He's in the clear. Oh, what a save! Slides the puck down low, and he slides it quickly to Provorov. Kucherov's got it against the boards. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Feeds it over to Van Riemsdyk. Takes the pass. Moves it quickly over to Kessel. Back to the point it goes. One times it, makes the save! Here in the later stages of this period, 3-2 is where we're sitting. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Radulov's picking up momentum through center. Moves it around along the half wall. Here's a blast, and that's blocked. Approaching the final 60 seconds here in the second. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Quick feed to Panarin. Nice block. Passes on over to Besser. And now he moves it to Carlson. And he gains the zone here. Lets it fly, and he makes the save. Team USA's had their opportunities, but they still trail late in this second period. Eichel's won the draw. Shot comes up with the stop. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Into the middle of the neutral zone. Glove save! Quick reflexes. USA's had a lot of good looks offensively, but they have run into one hot goaltender, which is why they trail late in this second. And now it's grabbed by Carlson. Pass back to the point. That goes wide. And there's the wrap-up cue for period number 2. Just a one-goal game after 40 minutes. It's 3-2.
It's time for our Hamburger Bonanza. If the home team scores in the next 2 minutes, you can get a free hamburger courtesy of our arena.
The third period is just around the corner. Ray and I will bring you all the action in a moment. Welcome back, everyone. He's Ray. I'm James. Third period action ready to go. Barring extra time, the final frame of this one. Here we go. Third period is underway. Kane's got it in the corner. Team Russia's got the puck along the wall. And now it's over to Malkin. Read it perfectly and breaks up the play. Takes the feed at the back end. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Here's a shot. Great glove save.
He makes the glove stop right from the slot. That's a dangerous chance.
Here's a short pass to Gaudreau. Oh, going wide. There's the collision. Into the offensive zone. Flips it up the net. Stopped by the goaltender. And now he moves it quickly to Kane. Directed over to McDonough. Play whistle dead because of an offside.
I wanted another look at this one. I'm sure you guys were all impressed as I was. What a save by the goalie.
Team USA's had plenty of good looks offensively, but they cannot convert, trailing early in the third. Face off here in the neutral zone, and we are back underway. Quick pass to Pavelski. Over the line they come. Back on a stick now. Puts it to the front of the net, and that's picked off. Kuznetsov's got it in the offensive zone. Easily turned aside by Gibson. USA's been the better team, but not necessarily boasting the better goaltender, trailing early in the third. Pavelski's won it in their own end. Passes over to Kessel. Moves it to Jones. Glove save, and he made it look simple. Team USA's had a lot of good looks on goal, but they still trail early in the third. Puck is dropped, and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Moves it quickly over to Zaitsev. Puck moved over to Kovalchuk. Takes the feed. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. And now he tries to get it across to Besser. Besser's got the puck. Takes the shot, and the traffic jam in front blocks the shot. And he slides it quickly to Carlson. Puck picked up by Zaitsev. Knocked away. Quick feed to Jones. Jones plays the puck. Here's a shot. Big time stop. Gets a blocker on it.
And he came out and challenged him. Good save.
Tries to feed it over to Anisimov. Anisimov's carrying it ahead. Tarasenko's got it along the wing. Grips it and rips it. Big time stop. Moves with the puck at the corner. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Gets that puck back on a stick. Here's a blast. Just misses.
He had plenty of time to step into this. He'd like to get this on the net because no matter how hard he shot it, it was up too high.
With the stop.
Had to be sharp. That's a grade A chance.
And now he angles it across to Zadorov. He scores! Jumps on the rebound and buries it.
Oh, if he makes that stop, he's going to be on the highlights all day, all week. What an effort. He just can't get there.
Russia's extended their lead here in the first half of this third period.
They'd like to have the puck a little bit more, be a little bit more dangerous around the net, but they've sure been efficient. The chances they've had, they haven't missed much.
Number 91, Vladimir Tarasenko.
From along the boards, he takes the feed. Into the corner of the attacking area. And that one's turned away.
Time of the goal, 5 minutes,
Moves the puck.
14 seconds.
On the attack along the boards. Looks to set up at the point now. Team Russia's got control of it now from their own end. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Almost lost the puck, but hangs on here as play continues. Here's a short pass to Provorov. Now a quick pass to Nemestikov. Oshie's got it across the line. Steps into it. Denies him on the play. Bobrovsky's going to hang on to that one for a whistle.
Quickly on top of that, James, he needed a cover there. Oh, that's a good look from the guys in the truck there. Look how he lines them up, times it perfectly, and throws his shoulder right through him.
USA's Achilles heel tonight has been finding offense as they trail here in the third. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Oh, wow! What a save with the glove! Nearing the midway mark of the period, we've got ourselves a 4-2 hockey game. Pavelski's won the face-off deep inside the offensive zone and tries to make a diagonal pass to Kessel. Passes right to the front. Big-time stick save. Ovechkin swooping in on the attack. Takes a shot and makes the save. Right to the middle, and that one's broken up. Big save by the goaltender once again. Here's a chance. Takes a shot, gobbles that puck up with his chest. Team USA's failed to convert on scoring opportunities, and lots of them here in this third period. Good job tangling up his opponent here. Here they come on the attack. Offside is the call, and we'll have a face-off just outside the offensive zone. USA's got to be frustrated with how things have played out tonight, trailing in this third period. Puck is dropped, and we are back underway. Lets it fly. Oh, what a stop! Team USA's gained possession along the boards. They've got numbers. Kane's going to play it against the half wall. Quick pass to Goudreau. With possession along the wall. Kane's got it deep in the offensive end. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Orlov's lugging the puck. Carries it in. USA's got the puck inside the defensive zone. Gives it right back. Slides it back to the blue line. Russia's got the puck. Good hit to knock the puck loose. Nice pass. Matthews looks around. He got all of that one. Scooped up along the wall by Kane. Wow, scores!
Now the mountain looks a little less steep now. They get to within one with that marker there. He's playing the percentages. Drops into the butterfly, but it doesn't help him. He gets beat pretty cleanly.
Team USA's third period deficit suddenly doesn't seem so insurmountable now.
You can almost see the difference in the bench and the body language. They know they've got a chance.
Puck scooped up by Tarasenko. Moves the puck along the half wall. Moves it to Provorov with the stop. There's another stop. And the puck departs the zone. Whistle blown as a few players go ducking for cover on the bench. USA's Achilles heel tonight has been finding offense as they trail here in the third. The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. Ref's arm goes up in the air. Looks like we got a hooking call coming up. Let's see the call here. And it's going to be 2 minutes for hooking on the call. A lot of people debate, is this a lazy penalty, the hook?
I don't know if it's lazy all the time, but it's a penalty of being out of position. Your stick's parallel to the ice, you get called all the time.
And the man advantage unit comes out to go to work.
It'll be their initial power play of the evening, James. The best power plays, they move the puck and move their feet at the same time. You'll force the penalty killers back a little more defensively than they'd like to be.
And that's broken up. Carries it across the line. Moves it quickly over to Folk. Move to the middle from the slot. Oh, a clutch save.
He's sharp on this one, out on top of the crease aggressively to make the save.
Puts it on net. Comes up with the stop as he got a piece of the blocker on it. Gibson's going to cover it up and get a whistle.
Even with the traffic starting to close in, he had to grab that when he did. That's a pretty good scoring chance. That's a chance the shooter thinks might go in, but the goalie turns it aside.
More than half the frame has been played here. This one has been a good back-and-forth contest. We're sitting with a 4-3 hockey game. That's moved up ahead. Passes right to the front, and that one's broken up. Puck grabbed by Kessler. Along the half wall with the puck. To his teammate. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Suter's got it against the boards. Takes the feed. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Grabs control of it at the point. Pokes it away in his own end. And the penalty-killing unit doing work. Excellent kill as we're both back to even strength.
Well, the penalty killers hang on. They give themselves a chance. There's not much time left, but they were able to stay in touch with the game with a good penalty kill.
Into the offensive end now. And look at this, a 3-on-1.
Whoa!
He scores! On the rebound, lights the lamp for the goal.
Well, if he was about 4 inches taller, maybe he would have got to that. Desperation effort, but no go.
Team USA's goal has set up a thrilling finish here in this third period.
Really good work to get the game back to level. Now they have to continue to push, find the winner.
Taken by Carlson. Receives the pass. Lets it go. Oh, what a stop. And the goalie covers up for the whistle.
12 minutes, 56 seconds.
Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Denied by the goaltender. Dodonov's got it in the defensive end. Sends the pass over. Moves it around along the half wall. And it's a quick pass to Zadorov. And he slides it quickly to Kucherov. Oh, and he can thank his stick for that one.
This shot comes from a real dangerous area on the ice. But the goalie's in position, and he makes a nice stick save.
Past the midway mark of the frame, James and Ray with you tonight. The next goal could be a big one as we are tied. And now he moves it quickly to Folk. Pass to Besser. Here's an odd man rush. Throws it on goal. Denied by the goaltender. A big face-off here inside the offensive end. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Ovechkin's got it into offensive territory. Takes a shot, gets in front of it. A critical draw here. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Wheeler's got it in the offensive zone. Centering pass. Besser's got the puck. Quick feed to Wheeler. With the bank pass. A little banging and crashing now. And he slides it quickly to Folk. Takes the feed at the point. Takes the feed up ahead. Here's a short pass to Folk. Moves along the blue line. A chance right in front. Oh, what a save in front.
Dead center, excellent save.
Knocks the puck loose after a solid hit. Quick pass to Besser. Passes it over to Matthews. Team rushes looking to break out of their own end. Here he is, shot right in front. Denies him. Kovalchuk's got it on the offensive end. And that's broken up. Comes up with the stop. Feeds the puck to Carlson. Carlson's got the puck in his own zone. Rush has got it in the neutral zone. Takes the puck into the corner of the offensive end. Hammers one from the point. Way off target.
Probably better off to take a little off the shot and get it on target. He's nowhere near the net.
USA's got a hold of it against the wall. Slides it quickly to Pacioretty. Takes it across the blue line. And now it's grabbed by Pacioretty. Moves it to Matthews. Now a quick pass to Wheeler.
Wow.
There's the go-ahead goal, and we have a new game.
Taking the lead now, you control it. You push the pace, you push the other guys back on their heels. This is a perfectly timed shot. As soon as the goalie drops into the butterfly, this puck is delivered right over his catching glove into the top of the net.
Team USA's coaches are pretty active on the bench there, Ray. What are you hearing?
Well, they're happy that they've got the lead, but they want to make sure that nobody sits back to defend.
USA goal scored by number 67.
Sends it quickly to Orlov. Back at the point, they set it up.
And by number 34.
Blocked in traffic.
Time of the goal.
Puck picked up by Oshie.
47 seconds.
Over the line they come. Gobbles the puck up there with the chest. And there's the whistle stopping the play. Getting into the later stages of this period, USA's got the momentum with a one-goal lead. They'd love to add to that. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Handles the puck at the point. Moves it quickly over to Kessler. Taken along the wall by Buchnevich. Quick feed to Sergachev. And it's a quick pass to Kucherov. Less than 60 seconds left in regulation. Makes the save as he got a blocker on it. Team USA's not far from the finish line here as they lead it late in this third. Matthews has it in their own end. Picked up along the boards by McDonough. And now he moves it to Goudreau with authority. Team Russia's got possession at center. Sends it in deep. USA's got the puck behind the net. Feeds it on over to Suter. They've got the defense outnumbered. And he slides it quickly to McDonough. And the shot dies in the traffic jam. Kucherov's carrying it ahead. Here's a short pass to Provorov. The sense of urgency has really set in. They pulled the goalie. The extra attacker's out. Fires towards the empty net. Quick pass across to Dadonov. Team USA's ready to go on the attack. Wide open net, just wide. Russia's got a hold of it along the wall. Feeds the puck across to Kulikov. And that's broken up with a stick in front. And that one's stopped. And there's the final horn, bringing this one officially to an end.
If you can control the puck, you control the pace of the game. And I thought that had a lot to do, James, with the way this turned out. They seemed to have the puck a lot.
Did it also seem like the ice was maybe tilted in this one tonight?
Well, if it is, then the engineers got to fix it because you can't have an uneven ice.
And that'll do it from rinkside, everyone. For Ray Ferraro, my name is James Cybulski. Get home safely. Thanks so much for joining us.
Yo, 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 yo. Uh-huh, uh-huh.